What features should be mentioned about ATGIH Camping Portable Power Station? Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features: 198.4 watt-hour mega capacity and 4 device charging ports. This 198.4 watt-hour, 62,000 mAh portable power station charges a phone 15 times, a laptop 5 times, a tablet 7 times, a camera 14 times and more. Its 4 ports, 100 watt USB-C PD2 port, 18 watt USB AQC2 port, power 4 devices simultaneously and are compatible with most electronic devices. Perfect for camping, remote work, or emergencies, no more battery anxiety. Military-grade BMS, industry's strictest safety standards. With SiC components and redundant design, this BMS works well in extreme conditions, 14 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, offering 3x shockproof performance and 2x the safety. Durability of industry-standard BMS compliance with MILSTD 810G military BMS standards ensures complete mitigation of thermal runaway risks. AI temperature control chip, 10% reduction in thermal loss. This portable power station features an AI temperature control chip that reduces thermal loss by 10%. It achieves 98% energy efficiency in lab tests and 95% in real-world use, outperforming traditional power stations, 90% max. Compact and portable power on the go. This power station is designed for ultimate mobility. The ergonomic carry handle lets you take reliable power anywhere, whether hiking, camping, or traveling. Its space-saving design fits effortlessly into backpacks and car trunks. 80-watt fast charging input. Use the included PD100W USB-C to USB-C cable to charge this portable power bank to 80% in 2 hours and 100% in 2.5 hours. Plus, the HD LED display enables real-time monitoring of remaining capacity and purport charge status. Note: fast charging requires a equal or over 60-watt charger, lower wattage reduces charging speed. Charger not included. Detachable camping light with 4 adjustable modes. This portable power supply comes with a detachable camping light featuring 4 modes: low, high, spotlight, SOS. It works as a standalone flashlight and supports 2 charging options: contact-based charging on the top of the power station or USB-C wired charging. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.